This question tells us that in the absence of triethylamine as a proton sponge, this desired product does not form. What is the product that forms, and how can we determine this product by spectroscopy? Without a base to soak up acidic protons, what happens is that this product forms along with a byproduct of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong electrophile and can react with alkenes. And if it reacts with this alkene, we won't get this product. Instead, we'll get a different product with the addition of HCl across the alkene. We'll end up with a product that looks like this. The addition of HCl across the alkene will form an alkyl chloride product rather than the alkene product. How can we tell by spectroscopy? If you haven't gotten to the spectroscopy chapter, don't worry so much about this yet, but the spectroscopy that we would use to determine this product would be IR spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy can differentiate whether or not a molecule has an alkene in it. An alkene would have an IR stretch of around 1650 wave numbers or so. So if we formed our desired product, we should expect to see an alkene peak around 1650 wave numbers. And if the product continues to react to the alkyl chloride, we would not see a peak around 1650 wave numbers in the IR.